Hey guys, in this video we're going to start to work on this main content area, okay, the area where the posts show up. Now right now it's just a bunch of static HTML, so we're going to go ahead and fix that. So let's go into the index.php file in the MyShop theme folder, and we want to go to where we have this div class products, and inside there we have these 4-column divs to represent each product. I'm actually going to add a class of row on this products div, and then what we want to do is get rid of all but one of these 4-column divs. So we'll get rid of that one all the way down to this div right here. Okay, we'll get rid of that, and then inside the 4-column div I'm going to get rid of the content, and then what we'll do is we'll go right above it and we want to create our while loop. Alright, before we do the while though, let's make sure that there are some posts. So we're going to say if have posts, and then we'll end it down here. Okay, so if there are some posts, then we want our while loop. Okay, so we'll say PHP while, and we'll say while have posts, and then we have to just add the post right here. Alright, and then we'll do the end while on the bottom of this div right here. So we'll say PHP end while. Alright, now inside the div we're going to have an h3, and that's going to be the title, so we can say PHP the title. We're also going to have the thumbnail, so let's do PHP, and then we're going to check for the thumbnail first. So we'll say if has post underscore thumbnail. Okay, if there's a thumbnail, then we're going to say PHP the post thumbnail. Then we'll go right under the end if here, and we need our button. So it's going to actually be a link formatted as a button. So we'll give it a class of button. And then this is going to go to PHP echo the permalink. Okay, and the text will just say details. Okay, so let's save that and let's take a look. Okay, so the reason we don't see anything here except for hello world is that's the only post we have. So we're going to have to go in and create some posts. Let me just log back in real quick. Alright, we'll go to all posts, and you can see we only have hello world. So let's go ahead and click add new. Now notice that there's no area for the featured image down here. Okay, we're going to have to add that. So let's go to functions.php. And then we'll go into this MS theme setup function. And we're going to say add theme support. And we want post thumbnails. Okay, so now you can see down here we have the featured image box. So let's go ahead and click that, and I'm going to upload a file. Let me see if I can find it. Let's see. Trying to figure out where I put it. Okay, so I have all these shirts. I'm going to choose this blue and white one, and we're going to set that as the featured image, and let's call this blue and white shirt. And then for the description, we're just going to get some sample text real quick. Okay, so I'll just copy a couple sentences for the description. Okay, we'll paste that in. And then we're also going to want the price. So we're going to put that in an H3. And we'll say $9.99. And then we're also going to want the button. So we'll give that a class of button. And we'll just say buy now. Okay, it's not going to have actual e-commerce functionality. So this is what pretty much all of our products descriptions are going to look like. Let's copy that. And then let's choose the shirts category, and we can add some tags. We'll say blue shirt, white shirt, clothes. Okay, we added those, and that looks good. So let's go ahead and publish. All right, we'll go back to the home page, and there's our shirt. Okay, I'm going to disable the Hello World post here. All right, so yeah, I guess I'll just move it to the trash. All right, and then we'll add some more. So this one, let's see, we'll go upload the image. We'll grab the black shirt. And we'll say black shirt. And then I'm just going to paste in what we had for the other one. Okay, we'll publish that. And I'm just going to go ahead and add the rest of them, and I'll be back. Alright, so I went ahead and added the rest of the products. Let's go to the front end and reload. And there we go. So it's starting to look like a real shopping cart. Now if I go and I click on a details, it takes us to the correct place, to the right product, but this isn't how we want it set up. Alright, we want to have the description, we want it to look like a real shopping cart page. And another issue, if we go to a regular page, not a post, like say the About page, it's formatted the same way as the main post page, so we don't want that either. So in the next video, we'll take care of that and we'll get these pages looking correctly.